If you want to invite a member to Wrike using your iPhone, this step by step guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and easy way. So, first, unlock your iPhone and open the Wrike app. Make sure you're logged into your account and that the app is fully loaded. Now, once you're inside the app, go to the main dashboard where you can see your folders, projects, or spaces. So, from here, you'll need to access the area where you want to add a new member. Now, look for the menu icon or your profile icon or click on More button. Now from here, tap on Settings. So this will take you to a page where you can manage your account and team members. Next, look for an option. So look for Invite Teammate under Account. So scroll down. So click on it. Now once you click the Invite Teammate, next, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. So make sure the email is correct so they can receive the invitation. Now, once you do that, click on Invite, located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and the invitation will be sent to that email. So, once the invitation is sent, the person will receive an email with instructions to join your Wrike workspace. So, they can accept the invitation and start collaborating with you. Now, if needed, you can always go back to the member section to manage users, resend invitations, or change access levels. And that's it. That's how you invite a member on Wrike using your iPhone. Thanks for watching.